Hey guys, it's Alaina. Today we're going back to the Galaxy theme to do a fantasy supernova, at least that's what I'm calling this. It's definitely nothing that you will find in nature. However, it was a lot of fun to make, so I hope that you enjoy doing it with me. We will be using my Galaxy brush set for Procreate to make this piece, and that is available for purchase in the link down below. And the palette for this piece is actually available for free to my email subscribers. So you can go ahead and subscribe if you would like to have access to that. So let's go ahead and get started. My canvas size is 3000 by 2000 pixels, and I'm going to go ahead and make the background layer black. And I will be using my Pastel Galaxy color palette, which comes with the brush set and is also available for free to my newsletter subscribers. I'm choosing a yellowish orange color and switching to my Galaxy Stamps folder, where I am choosing my Supernova brush and placing that on the right hand side of the page. Now I'm creating a new layer and placing that below the Supernova in order to add some colors around it. Now I'm choosing my Nebula number 6 in a reddish orange color and adding that around the supernova, kind of like a halo. And I will continue to choose some different Nebula brushes in different colors and keep doing this pattern around it. At this point, I have started to draw some bluish trails out from the center, and I decided to choose my Wispy Dust brush, still in a blue color, and start to make these trails a bit more pronounced by using this brush to add some wispy bits. And if you use this brush in a couple strokes on top of itself, it starts to become more pronounced. So I went on and continued to do this in different colors in different areas of the piece. Now I'm adding a new layer above those other two layers, which will eventually be for stars. However, at this point I decided to go back to the bottom layer where all of the nebula is and add some more dust clouds to just fill it out a bit more before I put the stars in. Now I'm going back to that top layer above the other two, and I'm going to select some of my star brushes and add some bits of stars here and there using a couple of different brushes. Now I'm going back to my Galaxy stamps folder and choosing my single star number 1 stamp. And using the pressure in the pen, which decides how big the star will be, I'm just adding a few bigger stars to some of these clusters. Now I'm going back to my Galaxy Dynamic brush set and choosing Stardust number 3, which is very faint, just to add a little bit of stars to the darker areas, but not a lot, so that we still have sort of an empty space effect in these areas. So that's about it for this fantasy supernova piece today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to support my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you next time.